Easy come and easy go.
I mean, it's just super messy right now.
Gentle love, the kind that lifts you up, no matter how far apart. I guess you could call it chance, but we know it's more than that. It's like we've always known, been set in stone, unbreakable. It's like I've always dreamed, true harmony, unmistakable, unmistakable. Through each night we'll keep burning bright. I'm so lucky to be loved by you. And come the storms, whether short or long, well, I'll still be right where you are. I guess you could call it chance, but we know it's more than that. It's like we've always known, been set in stone, unbreakable. It's like I've always dreamed, true harmony, unmistakable,
Never thought too hard about it. Always came naturally to me. Never put a foot out of line, and I tried not to make any awkward statements. Always tried to be a good neighbor, waiting for the right time to speak. Now it seems the tables are smashed into tiny little pieces. I only wanted a slice of the pie. And all my time in this town, never thought I'd see the day you and I would come to blows. Think I'm gonna keep it that way. We don't have to think the same way to celebrate and dance until the dawn. It's always been a puzzle, I guess. So let's break a little bread and remember what I said. Come on. And all my time in this town, never thought I'd see the day.
Ok, vamos ter a conversa. Ele said,
Think I'm gonna keep it that way.
go.
Never thought too hard
You like
about it.
Ele said,
Always came naturally
go.
to me. Never put a foot out of line, and I tried not to make any awkward statements. Always tried to be a good neighbor, waiting for the right time to speak. Now it seems the tables are smashed into tiny little pieces. I only want a slice of the pie. I really think we're getting somewhere with just